Our stunning 2016 Bentley GT Speed is presented here in volcanic black, one of Bentley's extended colour range colours that really is stunning against the dark tint Speed alloy wheels. This is a one-owner car, a factory order from a customer of ours, so we've supplied and maintained the car from new. We have our dark tint front and rear lamps, matching Pirelli P0 tyres. Wheels and bodywork are unmarked. This car features the beluga hide interior with the poor boy secondary hide, just detailing the Speed colour split throughout the interior. We have our embroidered Bentley emblems in contrast stitching, and this really brings out the handcrafted feel of any Bentley's interior. This car has covered just 6,620 miles. Additional features include reversing assist camera, storage case to the centre console, seats which are heated, ventilated with a built-in massage function, and a heated steering wheel. This really is a truly stunning example of Bentley's 2016 GT Speed. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a test drive in the car, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you soon.